Cleveland's hothead. They have a million plants in the house.
I love like really nice smells. It like sounds like snow. Oh my god, I'm here with my favorite people. Oh my god, these pickles. Everything.
I love that.
Everything.
Are you guys out of Louisiana?
No, well, our chef is from New Orleans, but we're out of Atlanta.
Yep.
I was like, dude.
Yeah, right?
Right.
Yeah, you got it.
I was.
You put two and two together. I see.
So you can find us not only at ICE, but at your local Whole Foods.
Cool. I mean, the iPhone is not the best right now, but you can't see anything. You can't even see that's a highway. That is a highway over there. You cannot see the highway. Back in the saddle, and I'll be here for the remainder of Sunday. I know it seems like all I do is work, and in a sense that is all I do. I have a problem with waiting until the last minute, aka procrastinating. You know, the more that I see myself and watch myself, and I'm looking at all of my bad habits, it's extremely sobering. Knowing that I can do better proves that I need to do better. I can and I should. And right now, just gonna learn to not procrastinate. Just get stuff done when I need to. And also, while I'm working on being a better person, I might want to be a better organizer, because this. Something told me not to use this hard drive, but now there are video files from 2015 and 2016, along with my first 4 days of my vlog are on here, and it won't connect. It just hums, and I think I'm gonna have to play MacGyver and go get a separate enclosure to get this information off. But this is just, gosh, yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about this.
2 hours later.
Only in Atlanta can you have rain for an hour or most of the morning, and then it looks like this. The sun is out like it never rained today. This is the stuff we got from ICE today. What I'm most excited about is that the creator of Jack Be Nimble, the candles that you saw earlier, there's a sample in the bag. I didn't buy any candles, Talia bought the candles. But now I have the cutest candle to put in my office. Thanks, Jack Be Nimble. You know what, instead, I'm not gonna even wait till I get to my office. I'm gonna light this now. It smells just like, ugh, ugh. So it's Georgia on my mind, and of course, Georgia is known for peaches. It smells just like peaches. Oh. So excited. Whew. Whole house is gonna smell like peaches.